Hi, guys. I hope that everybody is doing well. Here is what you need to know for this week, May 18th to 22nd. All right, so for this week, you know the drill by now. Log into Canvas first every day. Your assignments for this week, we have a new topic this week. You're going to be learning about globalization. So, globalization takes us right up to our modern world. That's the point in history we are in this school year. So, of course, Tuesday morning, I will post a video lesson and questions about globalization. Activity one, what is globalization? You're going to read a basic overview article about globalization and then answer some questions. Activity two is a globalization debate. There are positive and negative aspects of globalization. I'm going to ask you to pick a side and to defend it. Activity three will be your DOW about globalization. On Thursday, we'll have our Zoom meeting just like normal. And then, of course, as a reminder, all assignments are due on Friday. Guys, we are so close to the finish line of seventh grade. I want you to keep on working. If you have any questions, email me and I'll be more than happy to help you. And remember, clear eyes, full heart.